Hello, second graders at Oakhurst STEAM Academy. This is Mrs. Bent here for another Solve and Share activity coming to you from the slideshows that we are sharing on our Google Classrooms. This video is for Thursday, April 2nd. Hopefully you have worked through the slides, worked through the daily practice, the first activity. Have tried this problem on your own for a few minutes, solved it on a piece of paper, answer the questions as well. So you're at the point that you are ready to have your work checked. So you are with me, waiting for an explanation to make sure that you are on the right path. So let's get ourselves started. Let me read the problem to you. It says, Trevor made 20 apple muffins for the bake sale. Ryan made 15 more banana muffins. They sold 23 muffins in all. How many muffins are left to sell? Solve any way you choose and show your work. So definitely a more complex problem than we've seen. Hopefully you're able to take some time and really dissect that a little bit more. The questions that you were asked to solve on the main page was, is this a 1 or 2 step problem? Hopefully you're able to see that we will be needing to do 2 steps. We need to find out, first of all, how many muffins did Trevor and Ryan make altogether. So we are going to need to have I'm going to add another text box. We will need to figure out first how many muffins did Trevor and Ryan bake. Whoops, not back, bake. Bake. So we'll need to make an equation for that. So it is a 2-step with that question first. The other question you were supposed to answer was type in what you would do first. So there's your answer there. I need to find out what or how many muffins that they did to begin with, or how many muffins did they bake to begin with. So hopefully you're able to come up with the equation that we need to find out first, which is the amount of muffins that Trevor made, which is 20, plus how many muffins that Ryan made, which was 15. That should be a mental math problem because we've been practicing adding with numbers, multiples of 0 or multiples of 10, or numbers that end in 0 right here. So hopefully you're able to quickly add this together. 20 plus 10 right here equals that 30. Bringing that 5 down equals 35. So to begin with, they made 35 muffins. That is the first step in the problem. Now we're able to then bring this information right here to know that they sold 23 muffins. And I would have asked a question in my classroom, say, what does sold mean? What kind of math is sold? And we would have been able to identify that is, I'm going to change my colors here, that is subtraction. So we will have a subtraction equation to begin with. We fill out our subtraction equation with what they started with at the bake sale, which was 35 muffins together. They sold 23 muffins. We were then able to do that subtraction equation multiple different ways. One of the ways we could have done that was base 10 blocks. We could have used a number line. I'm going to go ahead and choose to use a number line. I'm going to erase our initial equation right here. So we can go ahead and choose to answer this with a number line. That will look a little bit different. So 35 minus 23. Using my touchpad on my laptop, so this is look a little bit pretty, maybe a little bit messy. That's okay. Okay, so we start out, we're going to use the takeaway method on our number line. So we start out with 35. Our answer will be right here when we take away our 23. So that is our goal, to get to that answer right here. So we'll start out with 23. We're going to do one big jump of 20, and we took away that 20 right here. So our new 35 minus 20, 30, take away 20, gives me 15. Okay, 15, and then we took away our big 20. Now we need to take away 3. So we'll do a smaller jump, taking away that 3. making sure that we took away all of our numbers. We've got a 23 right here. 15, take away 3 is 12. Using our number line strategy, we do find out that how many muffins are left to sell, which is right here at 12 muffins. I was able to use the number line strategy. I was showing my work just like it was asked to me to do. I used the number line strategy and I showed all my work. Can you identify what strategy you used? Did you use the number line? Did you use the decomposing or base 10 blocks? Those are many options you could have used. Also a hundreds chart. Please stick to the methods that we have practiced in class. If you have any questions, concerns, or worries, please reach out to your teacher and you may continue with the slide practice. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.